John D. Pennekamp State Park was our base of operations the first few days. This Eploritas program was led by Alberto on the left, our coordinator, and on the right is Roger, a Florida master naturalist. Roger seemingly possesses an encyclopedic knowledge of Florida's flora, fauna, history, and geology, and always seemed to have background information as well as humorous stories to relate to us as asides.
Kind of establishment here. Okay. Told you it's unofficially upside down jellyfish. Fletcher and a wedgie, huh? Well, you're thinking of very and you see quite a few of them that don't have any sprouts on them. Right. Sticking up. Mm-hmm. Alright, look like pencils. Right. Alright, sticking out of the ground. Locals call them dead man's fingers. Oh, rats.
The State Park Visitor Center had an aquarium where we got a sneak preview of a lot of the sights we'd see as we were snorkeling.
This guy's not too friendly. He just stays back in the pool.
Because of the chilly weather Florida had been experiencing, we all wore wetsuits for the snorkeling. We snorkeled 3 successive days, each day a different reef. The first day was Molasses Reef, the second was White Banks Reef, and the third day was the grand finale, the best of all 3, Grecian Rocks. All of these photos, as well as the underwater movies, were taken with my new Canon D10 underwater camera. I was very happy with the results, especially of the still photos, although there really wasn't enough light for the movie feature to work optimally. The clarity is not as good in these movies, but at least it gives you a feel of how it looks under the water. And you'll notice the fish are being buffeted about by the currents quite a bit. It was very windy the first 2 of the days we snorkeled. 2 of the mornings we had presentations by scientists from the Marine Lab. They gave us a primer on coral reef fish identification and also the ecology of the coral reefs. We also studied the importance of mangroves while we were on this program. An unadvertised bonus on this program was our visit to the Wild Bird Rehab facility, a non-profit in Key Largo.
Egret. French word for heron. Of course, the English always mess up the French language, so instead of saying egret, they say egret. And that's the difference. But it's always good to get any
snowy egret.
I think they really sell them on the book, right? Because they're hanging around because they do get fed. They try to wean them off.
Yellow-crowned night heron. Broad-winged hawk. Red-shouldered hawk.
And they're both red-shouldered?
Cooper's hawk. American Kestrel. Great horned owls.
Hello. Say hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, these guys
On our last day, we made the drive to the mainland over to the Everglades National Park. Cormorant. Here's a male anhinga. Great blue heron. A young white ibis. A nesting anhinga.
By the end of February. By the way, that bird over there with the red wood stork.
The next couple are wood storks. I've been told that Audubon came to Florida with the goal of seeing these wood storks.
But they're getting better at they go around, lower the water level. Don't steal the ranger's thunder.
Couple of moorhens. Snowy egret. One of my favorites, the purple gallinoo.
Alligators are not as dangerous as people make out. It's only when you start feeding them.
There's a nesting anhinga with baby. Female on the left and male on the right. A couple more anhingas. Just a block or so from our hotel was the African queen used in the movie of the same name. A nice feature of this program was having our dinner meal at a different local restaurant each night. And here's the entire group of adventurous elder hostelers.